What's going on, guys? So today is an awesome day because my headlights, my turn signals, and my JDM Grille are all going to be here today and tomorrow. So my Grille is supposed to be here today, and I actually ordered two of them, sorry, by accident. So I'm actually going to have an extra one that I'm going to have to sell because the hassle to return it isn't even worth it. So I'm just going to end up selling that. I'm going to try and get brand new price for it, whatever. But my headlight should be here and my turn signal should be here. And so today I'm going to go ahead and paint my bumper, or at least get it ready for paint, maybe paint it tomorrow and put it on the next day. But I'm going to try and get it done today. That way when everything shows up tomorrow, I can just slap it all together. It's going to be awesome. Here's my busted ass car, and here's the new Grille. It looks outstanding. It's gorgeous. Can't wait to see this thing on here. But I gotta get this bumper painted for sure. This thing looks like ass. Alright, so I got the bumper stripped down to the guts. Grills are out. Fog light covers are out. I'm getting new turn signals, so I'm not even worried about those. And I took my front plate off because I plan on just filling those holes in and spraying the whole bumper for a cleaner look. So let's get started. Alright, fast forward the process a little bit. I had a crack over here. I went ahead and filled that in. I had a bunch of like spider cracks here that I sanded down. I covered the license plate holes. If you look under here, I actually where is it? I actually just welded them shut, plastic welded them shut, and just smoothing it down with some body filler. Had a small crack there, I fixed. Had a pretty big crack here that I'm hoping I can smooth out and it won't come back. That one, there's a lot more tension up here at the top piece, so hopefully that doesn't come out. And if it does, hopefully the Grille covers it. But I actually just repainted this bumper a few weeks ago, so the paint was pretty fresh, and it like really chipped and was really bad and cracked a lot because it was fresh paint. So, you know, hopefully I got all of it and it stays. But it's really hard getting down in this crack. It wouldn't be hard to sand that, but this was definitely a replaced bumper. My car was definitely hit in the front before, and somebody put this bumper on it, and down in this crack, it was flaking when I bought the car. And when I started sanding it down, it's just a nightmare to get that, get all that old paint out. Since I got the new Grille, I figured I would go ahead and paint these pieces all gloss black to match the gloss black JDM Grille, and I think it'll look pretty cool. So I went ahead and started sanding these down to do them gloss black. Alright, just got the primer on this bad boy, and gonna let it dry. I'm gonna eat some dinner, and then I'm gonna come back out, sand this primer down, and hopefully get this thing sprayed tonight, so tomorrow I can just slap that bumper on. Put those new headlights in, new Grille. It's gonna be awesome. Alright guys, so the bumper is painted, and I went ahead and got the JDM Grille in here as well. So I got the holes filled. The front plate holes that are normally there are gone. I did originally have this this badge on here, but I definitely think it looks cleaner with nothing there. These obviously will have some texture to them because they're textured pieces, but they are gloss black with a silver flake in them, kind of just because that's metallic and I thought it might go well. So these don't have a mirror finish. You know, obviously, you know, the bumper and everything, you know, is a factory finish, but these I think will help pop with that gloss Grille. I think this will really help it pop and make more sense. You know, if it just had this gloss Grille up top and everything else on the bottom was flat, it might look funny, but I spent so much time just making sure, you know, this would look, you know, decent again. And then, so now we have this grill also with some metallic flake in it. And it's, you know, clear coated to match the top grill. So I think this will look pretty cool once it's all back together. It only took a whole week or two, but the headlights are here. So let's get to this. So the bumper is back on, everything's back together. I just need to pull the bumper back off, and I got the turn signals and the headlights. So the grille's already on. I resprayed all that stuff, and I'm gonna pull it out and put these headlights in. Okay guys, the Subispeed headlights are in. I do not have the sequential turn signals on these, but I did get the OLM LED turn housings. The only beef that I have with these headlights, the beam of light at night cuts off really abruptly and it looks very funny. Besides that, they look pretty good. But you're not going to see this in the video. The left side headlight, let me darken this. It's really hard to tell. When you're looking at it in person, it's pretty easy to see it. But the left side headlight is a much brighter, cooler white. And the right side headlight is like a more creamy white. And it's really noticeable at night with the naked eye. In the daytime, you don't really notice it. But it's kind of bothering me because 3 or 4 people have been like, why does your right headlight look darker than the left? And I don't like that. So I might message them and see if they do anything about it. Send me out a replacement or something. Maybe this one's just, something's not right. I don't know. But super easy to install. Direct plug and play. I didn't plug in the white wires for the DRL lights because I don't really care that much. So anyways, guys, that's it. I just wanted to follow up and show you how they look on the car. And until next time.